Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a 3-month update on my protective styling journey. If you guys are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So June 21st made it 3 months since I've started my protective hairstyle journey. I am going to be doing this for 4 months, so I have 1 more month to go. I can't believe it's already been 3 months. It's going by so fast. So I have been wearing a wig for the past 3 months. I chose to do a wig this time around because normally I'll do like Marley twist because I just finding it a lot easier to keep up with. But I decided to do a wig just to kind of switch it up a little bit. And I'm just going to show you guys what my natural hair is looking like compared to the first month. So the videos in the corner are just what my hair looked like when I first braided it to now that it's been 3 months. And I'm just going to show you guys what my scalp is looking like. So my scalp is looking pretty clean. I haven't washed my hair. The last time I washed my hair was 3 months ago. I did do a scalp cleanse in my first month update, but that was just for demonstration purposes. But I haven't cleansed my scalp since. And all I've been doing is just moisturizing my hair. So now I'm going to be showing you guys my new growth. I do think I got much more new growth since my second update. The braids are definitely a lot looser, and I definitely can see a lot more growth. And so I'm really excited to see what my hair is going to look like after the 4 months is up. So I'm just going to show you guys my moisturizing routine. So you guys probably already seen this probably 2 other times already, because I did kind of film like 3 videos in one type of thing. So I do have a video on this leave-in spray, which is Fenugreek and Rosewater. So I'll leave that linked in the description box, and then I'm going to follow that up with a Fenugreek infused hair butter, which I'll also leave linked in the description box. So I decided to just switch up my moisturizing products a little bit, I don't know, I just wanted to try something different. So I've been doing this for about 2 weeks now, and I don't know if I'm going to continue using it. We'll see. I probably will, but I'll let you guys know in the 4th update. So my moisturizing routine is still the same. I moisturize my hair every 2 weeks. So I'm just going to spray this leave-in all over my hair from roots to ends, and then I'm going to seal it in with the butter. So I'll probably be alternating between the hair butter and my henna oil. I love my henna oil, so I'm just going to probably use both, or I'll probably just alternate between the two depending on how I feel. And I haven't experienced any itching. I haven't really experienced my hair smelling or anything like that. If you guys do have any questions or comments about anything, you could go ahead and leave that in the comment section. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little update. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.